guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word привет, or hi. When we begin studying Russian, our привет usually sounds like привет, but we can make it sound Russian if we do several things. First, the Russian er. A Russian flipped er is like the two T's in the word puttY if we say it quickly. Try it. puttY, puttY. Say it quickly, and this time emphasize the Y. puttY, puttY. This is very close to the first syllable in привет. You can use the Russian default mouth position to make it better. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Here we go. Jaw, tongue, lips. При, при, при. Now the second syllable. Use the Russian default mouth position and say the V with a hint of a Y sound in it. Jaw, tongue, lips. Vyet, vyet, vyet. When you say the th, make sure the tip of your tongue is behind your bottom teeth as close to the gum line as possible. This ensures that it's the portion of your tongue behind the tip that touches the roof of your mouth and makes the th sound. Here we go. Jaw, tongue, lips. Vyet, vyet. Not vyet, where the tip of your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth, but jaw, tongue, lips. Vyet, vyet. Now the whole word. Jaw, tongue, lips. Привет, привет. Привет, привет. Привет, привет. That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!